How do you come up with the purchase price of a property or what your offer is going to be on the property if you don't actually know what they're asking? So a lot of times in multifamily, you'll see somebody say market price or price upon request or market. They're really just wanting you to do the math. And you only need two numbers to be able to get that purchase price. You need to know the NOI of the property, the net operating income. So it's gross income minus expenses and vacancy. We'll get you your NOI. This is before debt service. So we're not talking about the mortgage right now. We're just talking about the gross income of the property, less vacancy, less expenses, and you'll have your NOI. So if you have your NOI and you have the cap rate for that market, you should be able to get the purchase price. So just like a quick example, say you see an advertised NOI of $150,000, right? This is the NOI. And then you know the cap rate in the market, either from the broker, from your own market research, or you can sign up for companies like CBRE sends out a market report for their specific market, like here in Milwaukee. And we know that Class B multifamily is trading at like 6.7 cap. Whatever the cap rate is for your market, you can do the math. So if we have, using my TI 83 Plus Silver Edition, I think I got this in like middle school. If you have $150,000 of net operating income and you divide that by 0.067, that property is going to be worth $2.238 million. So your offer is likely going to be around this $2.2 million number. So if you have the cap rate or the NOI, or if you have the purchase price and you have the cap rate, you'll be able to get the NOI. See, all three of these work together. The purchase price, the cap rate, and the NOI all work together. So if you have two, it's a triangle, right? Cap, NOI, purchase price. If you have two of the sides, you're able to solve for the other side. So it's just a simple equation that you'll be able to use. And just know that the cap rate is going to be represented as a decimal. So a 6.7 cap rate, when you put it in your calculator, is going to be 0.067. And you're going to divide this NOI, this 150,000, you're going to divide it by 0.067, and you're going to get the purchase price of that asset. So that should be around where your offer is going to be. If you have two things, you can always solve for the third thing. So just don't freak out when you see something like that, and don't not make an offer because it didn't have a purchase price. All you need is the NOI and the market cap rate, and you'll be good to go.